Hello YouTube friends, I'm back. I was asked about my Echo 400 CS 400 EVL chainsaw. I was asked what happened to it, and what happened is I had to go ahead and I had a little bit of problem with it and everything. There was an oil seal that was not sealing right, and it was let too much air in, so to go ahead and take off and run erratically and stuff. So I had to take it apart and put in a new oil seal and put it back together. The problem is I had to wait a couple of days to get a new oil seal in for the mail. But now, hopefully it will run now. Wow, she's a loud one. But you gotta remember, this is I think 47 to 48 cc's of power. They're very nice. This is an older saw. I've actually found out that this was made between 1980 and 1984. So this is a very good saw and everything. When I took it apart and everything, the only thing that was wrong with it needed a new rings. But then I also found out later that it needed new oil seals too. So that's alright, you know, no big deal. Just took a little bit more time to fix it, but you know, things happen. Stuff happens, you know, not everything, you know, comes out the first time. Sometimes you gotta play with it a couple of times. Thing is with this is that you have to have patience and have to have vigilance to do this and not always give up right away. But anyway, I like this on our thing, very nice. The paint job is mostly pretty good. I wouldn't put on a new handle on it. A new starting handle. I'm going to go ahead and sharpen the chain, excuse me. And I went ahead and I cleaned off the blade and stuff. It had some really bad, all the old paint was on there, really bad shape. Also, the air filter cover doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to go ahead and run some gasoline through it and clean it that way. Hopefully they should get it pretty clean. And then put a little bit of, put a light film of oil on it to catch all the dirt, but still be able to pull the air through. As you can see and everything, it leaves the automatic oiler chain is still oiling, so that's good. Left a nice big thing of oil right here all over my tools. So anyway, let's try it one more time, and that'll be it for this. Also, I got coming up, I have another chainsaw that I'm working on. I took it apart and stuff, and just trying to get it ready. If you like this video and you felt like you learned something and you liked it and impressed and stuff, please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll have more videos like this for you.